Stuck with the Multilingual User Interface Cache DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Multilingual User Interface Cache, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Multilingual User Interface Cache. It manages the localized application display names and shell associations stored in the registry. It speeds up the rendering of the Start menu and Open with dialogs. If corrupted, users will see generic file names or placeholder text in the Windows shell instead of localized software titles. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. MUI Cache is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Multilingual User Interface cache file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Installing an unverified version of Multilingual User Interface Cache DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. A recommended diagnostic path for Multilingual User Interface cache management is outlined in the software resource linked below. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Multilingual User Interface cache workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.